Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade without sugar. First, gather your ingredients. About 4 to 6 fresh lemons, 4 cups of cold water, and your preferred sugar-free sweetener. You'll also need a pitcher, a juicer, and a spoon for stirring. This simple method ensures a delicious and healthy beverage for any occasion. Let's get started with the preparation steps. To get the most out of your lemons, gently roll them on a counter before cutting them in half. This helps release the juices. Then, using a citrus juicer, extract about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Be sure to strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to catch any seeds or excess pulp, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable drink. This step is crucial for a clear and refreshing lemonade. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour your freshly squeezed and strained lemon juice into a large pitcher. Next, add 4 cups of cold water. This ratio provides a balanced flavor. Then, gradually add your sugar-free sweetener, starting with about 1/4 cup and stir well. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your preference, ensuring it's just right for you. Once mixed, chill your sugar-free lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and ensure it's perfectly cold. Serve it over ice, perhaps with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. This recipe makes about 5 cups, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the day. Store any leftovers in the fridge for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.